What is up, my bagels? Today we are going to be building a really big mech. I don't know yet. We have Mandy here. You haven't seen them on the channel yet, so this is their debut on the channel until I be on the channel again. Anyway, yeah, I'm still stalling. We're gonna get straight into it. Boom.
I've only seen like a mech here be like all the way like up, like almost at the roof, like halfway. Like, that's
So I used to have a giant mech that would like have arm tracking. Whenever that was a
like,
kind of new
the
thing.
biggest mech I've ever seen will be one at the roof.
So my question to you is, do you want to have a mech? Obviously it's gonna be tall, but do we want to have it to where it moves with our arms, like this? That's the wrong side. Like
Yeah,
this,
like
the whole
arms.
left arm moves, or do you want to use it as 3 separate things?
Like
You want it to have the arms
and be
like this?
tall. Like arms and tall.
That's not what I'm asking. You know what? I'm just gonna do the easy way, and sacrifice some of my builds. Let's see. I can always get this later. And I personally don't really like this that much. Okay, boom, we have our slots open. So Mandy, I want you to start working on the arms, or like one of the arms.
Okay.
Oh, real quick. See how this looks so far. It's not looking too bad, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, it doesn't look terrible right now, but personally, I feel like I could do better. Okay, so we got this little thing behind us so far. It's not looking too bad. I just am kind of afraid how it's gonna turn out. Personally, I don't like this that much. Oh, by the way, Mandy, you don't have to use the arms. By the way. Personally.
It would be hard to move if you don't have arms.
Well, I mean, like, with these is what I mean. With these kind of arms. You can just, like, I can just, like, hold it in place.
But I would like to.
I for some reason really want to add shoulder blades. Yeah, shoulder blades could work. What really is missing from that? Wow, that looks... I want to say terrible. Like, I can't fully tell.
Look at this.
Nice, nice.
You have to be holding it though. Moved around?
My gosh, that thing is giant.
It's a giant thing.
Nah, these aren't doing it. They're too big. It's storming outside. Yeah, just keep your arm very, very still. Okay, is this the right arm?
There. Yeah, this is the right arm. The right arm.
Flex my bite. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's good.
I just need to keep my arm as still as possible. There we go. Okay, we're gonna we'll attach this on afterwards. I just feel like this is kind of bland. Maybe I can do more like exoskeleton instead. Personally, that might be good. No, that's... I need that fish. Just like... that. Yeah. There. Hello. Let's see, let's go check on Mandy and see what he is doing. Let's see what you're doing here, Mandy. It's just kind of the same thing, but for the
other hand.
So left arm.
Yeah. It's kind of hard.
Okay. Have that. So it's supposed to be like this.
Yeah, it's like that.
Nope, hang on. Wait, I think I figured it out. Oh, but now I lost it.
That's right here. See? See the same twinkle?
Okay.
Is there like one over there just doing something?
Could you? No, go. Oh my god.
Look. Aha. The monster.
That's beautiful, Katie.
I don't get it.
Marty, this person doesn't get the "that's beautiful, Katie" thing. If this is good or complete booty. It looks interesting. That's all I can really say. Is that it looks interesting. Let me just goop that on to right here.
Describe the bagel.
No, right here.
Maybe.
It's actually pretty light, which is honestly I wasn't expecting. Very versatile as well. Hey, what are you doing to my camera? Oh, what did you do? Bro, get these off of here.
No, the money!
Where did the arm go? Okay, I'm just gonna buy a new one. Give me back my camera.
No!
I'm putting it back in the first person, so you can't obstruct it anymore. Ow, stop. Anyways. Did you ever make the left arm? Like a new left arm?
No, I can't.
Can you make a new one though? Cause like, I kinda threw away the other one and I don't. What do you mean you can't?
It took too long. And that was the best I could do.
Okay, that's fine. I just need you to make another. Oh crap, it doesn't have collision.
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, I know what to do. Oh, this has been like that for like 30 minutes. Stop it!
It's not impenetrable.
Boom.
Not
Okay.
impenetrable from my lasers.
You know what else is You know what else is? Never mind. Oh my god! Why are there so? And they're all still here.
I win! No! Oh.
So you own saw blade launchers? So you own saw blade launchers? I'm actually like really good at throwing those. Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm like really good at throwing. Where'd you go? Look how good I am
at the launcher, bro.
I don't have them unlocked. No, I picked it up. What the heck, bro? Stop it. You killed yourself.
I got the power! Okay, this just has turned into a war now.
Yeah. I mean, I still have the... Why is Kara calling me?
I am the champion!
Die up. Okay. Someone's calling me. Kill me, you're gay. Kill me if 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 you're gay. Kill me. Oh man. Then we got Billy Bob.
You just gotta give me gift. You got gift. You kill me, you're gay!
Oh, okay.
What if I kill myself? That will count as you killing me.
You guys are out. This is the finished mech. Stop it. This is the finished mech. Bro, I'm trying to record the outro. Stop killing me. Revive me, bro.
Okay, guys, this is my video.
Revive me, bro.
Okay, so go to subscribe.
Revive
Subscribe
me.
to him now. Otherwise, I'm coming for your
Bro,
family.
revive me.
Subscribe to him.
Okay. Yeah, this is the next. Bro! Okay. Where's the gamer? Okay. What's up, guys? This is the finished. This is the finished build. It's mostly big because of the arms. You can't really see it. I'm gonna see if I can. See it? It's very, very tall. I can also, if the left arm I can kill, with the right arm doesn't do anything, because he didn't make it do anything. Yeah, that's my giant mech. Also, by the way, try throwing saw blades at people, because it's actually very fun. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. And, comment down below what I should do next, because I'm running out of ideas. Please, I need some. I can't keep copying trends. Okay, see you, bro.